Hey guys, I'm Ash from Training and Inspection Services, and we provide self-paced e-learning courses on API 510, 570, 571, corrosion and materials, 577, 580, 653, 1169, source inspector, fixed and rotating equipment. Today I'm going to talk about API 571, corrosion and materials. Now, before we go to the quiz, I'm going to just briefly go through the course we offer. It's got 25 lectures, and on Module 1 you will learn about all you need to know about API certification, right from registration, exam tips, time management, etc. On Module 2 we have a corrosion atlas of important damages mechanisms. In Module 3 we have 20 important damage mechanisms that is being also part of the exam for API 510, 570, 653, and then 5 sets of flashcards and a whopping 15 sets of mock exam questions. So for this you will have 1200 questions, 5 sets of flashcards, extensive corrosion atlas, 8 weeks 24/7 course access and online support. Also brought a quiz. This is a full exam actually, but we are going just to solve 20 of them. So for the rest you can come to visit our website inspectortraining.com and solve our first mock exam and try your knowledge. Also you can see our first module for free. So we have simulated the API exam question. As you can see here is 195 minutes for 80 questions, so you can see it's 3 hours 15 minutes. Let's start with question 1. What structure is 410 stainless steel? Is martensitic. Question 2, for chrome 5.5 molybdenum, what is the threshold temperature for creep? 800 degree Fahrenheit. Which of the following metals is the most anodic? Zinc. Soil to air interface areas are usually more susceptible to corrosion than the rest of the structure because of moisture and oxygen. 2 drivers, so use A and C. Remember, in API there is no A and C, A and B, or both 2 answers, or none of the above, or all of the above. You won't see this one. And moisture and oxygen are 2 corrosion drivers actually. Liquid metal embrittlement can occur in contact with mercury. Chromium is the primary alloying agent that affects resistance to oxidation because chromium reacts with oxygen and forms a protective layer, and that's the whole point of adding chromium to alloy steels. Which material below is not susceptible to caustic corrosion? I think it's carbon steel, I'm not sure. You can see the answer here. No, it's 400 series. Sorry, caustic corrosion. Above what temperature does titanium hydriding occur? 165 degree Fahrenheit. Liquid metal embrittlement can occur if copper, aluminum alloys, or 400 series stainless steel comes in contact with molten mercury. Liquid metal embrittlement can occur if high strength steel comes into contact with, I think it's mercury. Thermal fatigue cracks propagate, transfers to the stress, and are usually dagger shaped. So fatigue cracks are dagger shaped. It could be another transgranular, and always the crack is transverse to 90 degree to the direction of stress flight. Carbonate stress corrosion cracking usually occur at welds or cold work areas that when it is stress relief. That's not the answer. Have high residual stress. The grain size has an important influence on high temperature ductility and on the reheat cracking susceptibility. A large grain size can result in more ductile heat affected. No, a small grain size in more ductile heat treated. So amino stress corrosion cracking is a term applied to the cracking of steels under the combined action of temperature and pressure. Those are systems used to remove subsoil. So you can solve our question, and then you can see the answer here. And once you finish, you can see all the results and see how much you have scored. Please visit our website, try our mock exam, and read our first module. Thank you.